To export your design from InDesign to GraFx Studio, go to the Plugins tab, then CHILI GraFx Plugins, and select the GraFx Studio Exporter. Before exporting, you'll be able to run a preflight, which lets you check for compatibility issues. Click Run Preflight. If no errors or warnings are found, click Continue. You'll have the option to select a location for your export. Then click Export, and that's it. Your design has been exported as a zip file. Now we'll import it into GraFx Studio. First, go to GraFx Fonts and upload any fonts used in your design. Then, go to GraFx Media and create a destination folder for the assets included in your design. Lastly, go to GraFx Studio's Templates page, click Import Zip on the right-hand side, select the zip file containing your design, give your template a name, and select the destination folder you've just created in GraFx Media. Click Import, wait a few seconds, that's it. You can now open your template. Your design has been imported successfully. If you open brand kits, you'll see your brand colors, fonts, and paragraph and character styles. If you open the layers panel, you'll see all of your elements, such as text frames, shapes, and assets. You can also go to GraFx Media and see that your assets are now stored in your asset destination folder.